Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Okay, so my classmate gave me this as for pasalubong. Ano hindi siya pasalubong?
It looks like from Japan.
Yes, it came from Japan. So, hindi naman natin mabasa ko na to. So, titikman ni Miley. Magbibigay siya na review kung masarap ba. So, kumuha ka na, Miley.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? The red or the white? Open natin. Tapos try ni Miley. Kaya mo ba i-open?
I cannot.
So, try ni Miley. Yes. Look at that! And you tell them if
I'm
it's
not
delicious.
in Japanese, you know, because I'm not eating this thing in Japanese, you know.
What does it taste? You should bite more so that you could taste it.
Yummy. So yummy. Yummy, yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Eat some more, eat some more.
I don't like the red. I don't like something that's red. I don't like it.
And then next is my it's my national bookstore haul.
Yeah.
It's my back to school haul. So first is this. This is a foil.
Yeah.
Para saan to? Para sa props mo sa Wednesday.
Yeah.
Saan to? Para saan? This is for the what? You don't know? It's for your fan. You're the one that you're una-una kaya-kaya. Ay, can you sing it for them?
No, I cannot because you don't. I don't want.
Okay, this is the first haul, the foil paper. Next is, what do we have here? You get, let me show it to them. The next item that I bought, national, is what's that? It's a highlighter, a Stabilo highlighter.
I don't like a pen.
There you go. Next is a ball pen. Kasi paubos na ang ball pen ko. So, ito siya. This is only 23.75 pesos.
They know that your ball pen is already out of ink.
Yes, out of ink. Oh, siya nag-English na. Sabi ko po siya. Out of ink. Next is this one. This is from
That's black.
19 pesos only.
That's a black
Yeah, that's what I got. Next is no more. This is also the foil. And next is this. Open it, Miley. Ano laman?
Okay, wait.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Some Very good. How about the back of the mug? What does it say?
Sacred, be bold, and let your
Genius.
genius convert your fear into power and
Brilliance. Very good. So that's for today, guys. Ay, wait! Ito pa pala, guys. Ito ang lipstick. Lipstick. Actually, this is not a lipstick. But a lipstick. This is not a lipstick, but a lip tint. This is what I used today.
Oh. Yeah, I used that from my makeup channel from teacher because I made her the fairy and teacher made me my fairy.
So this is Vice Lip Tint. Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint. Ayan siya. This is in the shade of Chose.
Guys, we have to give the mug because it's gonna break.
Yes. So let's go. Bye-bye na.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the next video.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you later.